Inflation sentiment just hit -0.60, a notable drop compared to our historical baseline. This decline suggests a significant shift in public perception, particularly when you consider the momentum has stalled at +0.00. With 19 semantic clusters highlighting diverse opinions, it's clear that sentiment is fractured and uncertain. Our API returns nuanced insights into sentiment trends, allowing you to integrate this data directly into your applications. For example, if you're developing a financial forecasting tool, you can use this sentiment score to adjust your risk models, providing a more accurate picture of consumer sentiment around inflation. Dive deeper into this powerful data. Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs and tap into the insights you need to stay ahead.